Welcome to the future of pool care, powered by AIPER, the leading global brand in the smart yard ecosystem. Introducing the Scuba X1, a powerful, intelligent pool cleaning robot designed to clean higher, shine brighter, and work smarter, so you don't have to. Every day, your pool deserves the very best. With 6,600 gallons per hour of suction power, the Scuba X1 is a powerhouse. Its dual jet propulsion and 4 PVC roller brushes tackle dirt, algae, and grime from the floor to waterline, leaving no surface untouched. Horizontal waterline scrubbing, thanks to a low profile and dual rear nozzles. Watch it glide, eliminating scum lines with surgical precision. Before, dirty and dull. After, crystal clean. The difference is AIPER. Smarter navigation is here. With WavePath 3.0 DTOF high-precision sensors, the Scuba X1 maps your pool, avoids obstacles, and maximizes cleaning coverage intelligently. AIPER redefines filtration. The industry's first replaceable micro-mesh ultra-fine filter captures even the tiniest debris, ensuring cleaner, clear water with every pass. It also comes with a nice hook that you could attach to any telescopic pool pole that's not included. You could extend, hook, and pull up the device from the pool floor with this. Here's your cleaning mode with 4-to-1 versatile cleaning modes: floor, wall, waterline, auto, and eco. The Scuba X1 adapts to your pool's every need. It's more than a machine. It's your keeper of clean, your giver of time, and your creator of comfort. Want next level control and insight? Pair your Scuba X1 with the HydroCom Pro, a smart underwater communication and monitoring system. Solar powered and always connected, HydroCom Pro monitors pH, temperature, ORP, EC, and TDS, delivering real-time results with water insights and expert care recommendations. Track your water health daily, weekly, or monthly. HydroCom Pro doesn't just measure, it helps you master your pool's condition. Just like that. It comes with the charging cable as well. And then simply dock your pool cleaner in the charging port and you're good to go. AIPER isn't just creating robots, they're creating a lifestyle, a smart, carefree, and comfortable life. Cordless, effortless, powerful, the AIPER Scuba X1 is your new essential for a pristine pool and a peace of mind. AIPER Scuba X1, clean higher, shine brighter. 6,600 gallons per hour of suction power. That's the kind of performance the Scuba X1 delivers every time it hits the water. It's built for a thorough, everyday maintenance with the muscle to clean up to 2,150 square feet and a battery that lasts a full 180 minutes per charge. That means fewer interruptions, fewer recharges, and more time spending enjoying a clean, ready-to-use pool. But raw power isn't the only part of the story. What really sets this robot apart is how it cleans. It uses 4 heavy-duty PVC roller brushes and a dual jet propulsion system to scrub and lift dirt from every surface, floors, walls, and especially the waterline. Now, that waterline, that's where most robots struggle, but the Scuba X1 has Waveline 2.0, which gives it a 60 seconds of continuous contact as it scrubs horizontally along the edge of your pool. That means scum lines, grime, and algae don't stand a chance. It's also one of the smartest cleaners out there. You've got 14 precision sensors, powered by WavePath 3.0 navigation. It scans and maps your pool in real time, avoiding obstacles like ladders, drains, and awkward corners, so it doesn't waste time or battery power. It just gets to work, cornering every inch efficiently. And let's talk about filtration, because that's critical. The Scuba X1 includes a high-capacity filter basket, perfect for leaves, bugs, and larger debris. But it doesn't stop there. It also features AIPER's Micro Mesh ultra-fine filter, which traps the smallest little particles that cloud up your water. You'll actually notice a difference in clarity after just one clean. If you want even more control and insight, you can upgrade with the HydroCom Pro. This is AIPER's smart pool monitor and underwater communication system. It gives you live data on pH, temperature, TDS, EC, and ORP. Basically everything you need to keep your water balanced and safe. You can monitor it all from the app and even retrieve your Scuba X1 with one tap. It's solar powered, always connected, and honestly pretty game changing. This is what AIPER is all about, making your pool smarter, cleaner, and easier to care for, so you get more time to relax and enjoy. The Scuba X1 features an improved waterline cleaning function, now with a lower profile and dual rear nozzles for added stability. Its 5-centimeter water outlet delivers 60 seconds of uninterrupted horizontal cleaning. Effortless, precise, built for results, Scuba X1, go beyond clean.